Hey guys, welcome to Chapter 6, Lesson 1, where we will learn how to add SFX and background music in our black and white animation to add perspective and engagement to our edit. So let's double click on our project panel and go to our audio folder in our project folder and import SFX 4, 3, 2, 1 in the background music. Then strafe it through our Autobahn. So here I've prepared audio files already, which will be provided to you through a Google Drive folder. So what we're going to do is first drop the SFX1 here. Then open the dropdown, the audio file, and look for the waveform. This way you can see the length and how the audio moves through the animation. And here's another trick. You can click the shape layers that you're going to add the SFX. Then press View so you can see the duration. Then make sure you match this to this one. So now it's perfectly fit. Now what we're going to do is reduce the audio levels to -5 dB to make it the audio more balanced.
Yesterday is history. Tomorrow.
Okay, sounds good. So next will be the SFX2. Same thing. So this is the -5 dB. Move it somewhere here. Let's check the animation. As you can see, there's a peak here. We want that to be in the middle. There. You can trim this part if you want. Then I'm going to keep this part since we want the SFX to sound cool.
Tomorrow is a mystery.
There, great. Now, SFX3. For the third and last sequence, we will have two SFXs. One for the sliding of the box. Next is for the opening of the box. So reduce it to -5 dB. Reveal the animations, keyframes. Make sure the peak is always in the middle of the whole thing, or as long as it matches the animation.
But today, it's a gift. That is why.
Okay. This is SFX4, so put it here. There you go. So you can see this last FSX is quite long. So we need to pick a part that suits the best the animation. Let's try that.
That is why it is called the present.
Okay, this one sounds perfect. I'm going to cut this. Control-Shift-D, remove this part, then keep this one. Same thing on the other end. We're just getting this part from here to here, since that is where the animation is happening. Then reduce it to -5 dB. There you go. Now let's listen to the whole audio thing with the SFX.
Yesterday is history. Tomorrow is a mystery. But today, it's a gift. That is why it is called the present.
Nice, perfect. Last thing, gonna add the background music here. Then, usually for background music, we want it to sound like an object audio. So we're going to reduce the audio to -20 dB.
Yesterday is history. Tomorrow is a mystery. But today, it's a gift. That is why it is called the present.
Yeah, as you can see, I've picked a music that's more ancient. And to add a fade out, what we can do is say animate the audio levels from -20 dB somewhere here at the last second of the animation. Then here, let's put it -50 dB. As you can see, the audio level here went down. Okay, that's it for this lesson, and see you on the next lesson.